In this unit, I will explain you Revit interface and as well how to customize it. Remember to check the PDF we have attached for you to check more information about it. Let's have a look. I just opened a new model file with the architectural metric template. I'm going to explain you the interface from the very top to the bottom. On the top left corner, it's the quick access toolbar. There you can find a lot of tools that are frequently used. Then on the top right, it's the information center from Autodesk. As explained before, you can see your username and as well you can consult the help guide. Also, there are a lot of links for you to find forums or support where you can ask any question and investigate all about Revit. This over here is the ribbon. The ribbon is divided by tabs and each tab contains all the tools related to the name of the tab. For example, if we click on the architectural tab, you will have the build panel, the circulation panel, and inside of them, all the tools related to them. There are many tabs: annotate, collaborate, manage, and many more. On the left, we have the properties palette. There you can edit, control, and change all the settings for your views and your elements. Below it, you will see the project browser. There you will find all the views organized, sheets, families, etc. This here is the drawing window. Here, as the name says, you will draw and model your project. Below it, you will find the view control bar. This one will help you to control what you see in your views. On the very bottom, you will find the status bar. This one, as the name says, will provide information of the status of your project. On that same bar on the right, we have the selection toggles. Over the drawing window, we will see the navigation bar. This will help you to move around, zoom in, zoom out inside your views. A very cool trick that Revit gives us is that if you place your mouse over any tool, you will find a small description and a small video to show you how the tool works. So if you have any question or any doubt about any tool, you just have to place the mouse over it. You can as well customize Revit's interface. Let's say we would like to move the properties palette to the other side. For that, we just click, drag it, and place it on the other side. We can do it also with the project browser. We click, drag it, and place it here on top, and then resize it here. You can place it wherever you'd like, so let's move it back. And also, we are able to close them. So if we close both, then we can go to the View tab, and we can click on the user interface and select them both again. They will appear again wherever you left them, so let's move them back where we had it before. This is how I normally use them. Also, you can customize the disposition and location of the panels by clicking it and dragging it to another location. You can move them outside the window as well by clicking and dragging it like this, and you can have the quick access to them even though you changed the tab. So if you want to place them back, you just have to click on the top right, return panel to ribbon, and it will take it back wherever you had it. I recommend you not to change a lot the disposition of the panels because for this course we're going to use this default Revit disposition. So if you have the exact tools in the exact position where we have it, it will be easier for you. Now let's open another view by double-clicking level 2, for example. They will be automatically organized by tab, but we can click and drag the tab and we can move the window out. You can resize them and place it, for example, here attached to the right part. Also, you can place them here and you can drag them back and put it back into tabs. To put it back into tile views, then you can go to View tab and Tile Views. It is for sure a faster way to do it. As well, you can click on Tab Views and they will go fastly to tabs. By clicking several times in this button next to the tabs, you will see that you will be hiding, showing more or less information of the ribbon. At last, I want to show you two things. First, how to change the color of your Revit interface. And the second one, how to change the interval reminder of saving in Revit. So for that, we go to the File tab and we click on Options. We will click on User Interface, and on the bottom we will see Active Theme. Right now it's light, and we can make it dark. So it will change. As you can see, it's darker, but I would leave it light. If we click on General, we will see on the very top Notifications, Save Reminder Interval. Revit can remind you every 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour to save your file. This is actually very useful, and I leave it normally like this in 30 minutes. Now you know how Revit interface looks, where the tools are organized, and how to customize it. Remember to check the links below from Autodesk for more information about the interface. Now we will proceed to the next unit for you to practice what we've learned.